Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by launching Design Space and confirming account access. Make sure Bluetooth is on and your Cricut is paired. Once paired, select the correct machine model and set canvas units and grid for consistent scale. Next, import or create your first shape, tap Shapes or Upload. As you do this, name your project in the title area so you can save versions. These steps get you past setup quickly and into actual design work without losing time to basic configuration. Now you'll build the composition, place shapes or images, and use the Layers panel to isolate parts you want to edit. Once elements are visible, use Align to center or distribute objects evenly. Group related pieces so you can move them as one. Resize with pinch gestures or exact numeric fields, and choose Operation to set Cut, Draw, or Print then Cut. Make sure to attach or flatten when you need parts to cut together in the same arrangement during matte preparation. When you're ready, tap Make it to review matte previews. Check orientation and mirror when cutting iron-on materials. Once previewed, choose material type and confirm blade and pressure settings. Load the correct matte and follow machine prompts to begin cutting. After the cut, unload and inspect the result. Weed and finish as needed. If something goes wrong, retry with a lower pressure and test on scrap material. Save a copy of the project so you don't lose your setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.